Okay, before we begin, I would like to explain you about authorship of the document. So every single Microsoft Word document will store information of those people who working with the document. So for example, like the author and who was the person who modified this document. So if you want to see it, you can just click File, and here you can see the owner of the document, it's me, and the document was last modified with me too. And in some cases, your computer is named not after your name, so you can change your ownership by clicking Option, and then you see there's a username here and initials. You can just rename it anyone you want, anything you want. Okay, so it will change the authorship and the last modified name. Okay, we will continue to the topic how to create table of content. So if you want to create table of content, you need to create a new page here because there is no blank page here. So all you need to do is just click here at the end of the text of the cover page, and then click Insert, Page Break. It's just another one short tips for you. If you want to make a page break, do not use multiple enter, but use this page break because it will make your document very much neat. And if you have a problem with identifying a new page break, you can just go to Home and click this reverse P letter. Okay, here you can see that there is a page break, and then every time you have this kind of page break marker, it will go to the next page like this. Okay, so we have one free page here, and I wanted to use this page as a table of content. Okay, so all we need to do is just go here and then click References, and then see there is a table of content. Click it, and then click Automatic Table 1 or Table 2, whatever you want. Okay, I'd prefer to use number 2. So yeah, now you have your table of content, and this table of content were made by considering the headings. Okay, so this is the heading 1, and then this is the heading 2, this is the heading 3, and so on. Okay, that's very interesting. Okay, so it will save your time in working on your document. Okay, and the next thing we can do also, sometimes some document have numbers in it like this for subheading 1.2 and 2.3 or 221 or whatever it is. And if you want to add some of it, add the numbers in it, all you need to do is just select your headings, and then here there's a numbering here, and you can just put an automatic numbering on the library using the heading 1, heading 2, and etc. Okay, click it and it changes. Okay, so number 1 for heading 1, number 2 for heading 2, and then number 1 for the first heading, number 2 for the first heading 1, and then it applies 2 for subheading and subheading. Okay, so what about our table of content? It doesn't change, right? So all you need to do is just right click on it, and then click Update Field, click Update Entire Table, and your table of content is changed. It's very simple.